In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain in Instantly.AI. In order to do that, first head over to their website, which is Instantly.AI. Once you're in there, proceed to click onto this Start for Free in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, you can just proceed to click onto this login option above right there in order to successfully log in. So since I already have an account, let's proceed to click on this one. Now here is my dashboard. Head over to your email accounts by clicking onto this icon, and once you're in here, click on this Add New. Now from in there, you can select either this existing accounts that we have like IMAP or SMTP, or choose this Done For You email setup. So for this case, they can actually choose in here these options that we have available. If you want to connect a domain, just choose in here this option for the any provider. And then for this case, you just need to head over and input right here your domain. You can bulk import from CSV or any provider which is single account. Now input right here your email. For example, let's input right here mine. And then once you have inputted that, click on next. Input right here your IMAP username, password, as well as IMAP host and IMAP port. So if you wish to get this, you just need to grant it access from your actual account. So for example, in order to do that, you just need to enter the domain name and select your provider. If you have your own provider right here, you can head over and then get this added using your domains that you wish to use. Alternatively, you can also do this by choosing this Done For You email setup. Just click onto this option right here. Then type in here your domain name, like existing domain, for example, let's type in here Google. This is just an example. Load it right here and it should be able to actually show up right there. You can also just input right here your actual domain name available. So let's input right here that, load it, or you can also add a new domain. Type in here what you want. Then in here you can also upload the CSV if you want to as well. And from in there you can just place it, and after payment just wait for 72 hours for the DNS propagation. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.